Cowdroy's got this great Screenview app you can download and see exactly what it's going to look like. You download the app from the App Store, you hold it up to the screen you want to change, and you get a preview of what it's going to look like.
So you can go through and choose which insect screen throughout the Cowdroy range through that one view.
Exactly. Which one you want to choose.
When it comes to changing over insect screens, how easy is it?
Oh, it's very easy, Kim. You just need a few basic tools and you can do it. Start with choosing the Cowdroy insect screen that works best for you. This is the spline that holds it in, so simply just tear the spline out. Always good to give it a bit of a clean in case there's any rubbish in there. And for this one, we might give it a go with the pollen proof. So we'll cut that off to size. You don't need much, just a little bit of overhang because you've got to trim it later after you're done. So we'll replace the spline. Another thing you'll need is a spline roller. You've got a few options here, but if you're using aluminium, you've definitely got to use the Easy Feed. So we just start it with the spline. I start a little bit off the edge because you're going to have to come back round. Just squeeze it in a little bit. Now you get your roller. You just follow. You can see it's tightening it. And there we go. You just trim it off really carefully with a nice sharp blade.
Wow. That was fantastic.
Yep. Literally only took a few minutes to do.